Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Wednesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Our northeastern storm continues. We've had some record rainfall yesterday, upwards of 2 to 3 inches of record rain in and around the New York City area, nearly 3 inches of record rain in Boston, and then some heavy snow as you headed up into the inland locations and the higher elevations. But more western wetness. A pretty big storm system rolling into the west coast, and that will be affecting California. And in the middle part of the United States, we have some milder conditions. A ridge of high pressure is developing in between a couple of storm systems. So our forecast shows this northeastern storm still winding up over Wednesday, and it looks like the snow will taper a little bit by Thursday and Friday, but still ongoing out near the west, or I should say the western portions of New York. But here comes that big trough of low pressure. We have some blizzard warnings in place over the Sierra Nevada range, and that moisture will be spreading into the inland locations by Friday night and Saturday, so some decent moisture there. But California is set to pick up some much needed moisture once again. We'll take a look at the moisture over 12-hour snapshots here in the Northeast, and look at this rain throughout our Wednesday in places like upstate Maine and some of the coastal communities, but the wraparound moisture still continuing here for the eastern Great Lakes region, even into Thursday night and Friday. So that'll continue to squeeze out, and that snow potential, so really tallying up those amounts. Here's that next wave of energy rolling into the western U.S. You can see the moisture really starting to ramp up later today and through the overnight hours. Really will be increasing over northern California, San Francisco during the day tomorrow, and then through the Central Valley and down into Southern California by Thursday night and Friday. So again, some pretty decent moisture there, but the middle part of the country will be warmer, near 60 today in Denver, 30 in Minneapolis, and 75 in Phoenix.